EIT Urban Mobility accelerates positive change by making European cities and regions more accessible and livable. We achieve this by bringing together public and private partners to pilot new mobility solutions and put them into practice. In this series, we showcase 3 ongoing EIT urban mobility projects our European partners are working on.
The Code the Streets project is a joint effort by cities, mobility providers and academic partners to stimulate people to choose better, safer and more sustainable routes throughout the city. We believe that by showing drivers the societal and environmental impact of their choices in navigation, we can create better, livable cities with better mobility in our streets.
As metropolitan areas continue to grow, so do traffic-related issues such as congestion, crowded streets, safety concerns, air pollution, and increasing pressure on fragile infrastructure. Cities are faced with the challenge of finding better ways to manage urban mobility. Code the Streets supports cities with this challenge by creating a basis for new digital mobility management tools. The City of Amsterdam wants to find out how they can communicate information about the desired use of the public space with service providers and end users. How can they stimulate people to take the social route to make sure they keep Amsterdam a livable place now and in the future?
We use this app to inform the users of Amsterdam and Helsinki to make better decisions with their routes, so to take a social route. This consortium works really well because we share the same values and we have a common goal, which is making the cities more livable and safer. The app that we develop at TomTom is part of a bigger consortium. In the app, we inform the person about different type of routes, for instance, the social route. So I planned my route to Delft, and then I said, okay, take me there. And it's gonna send me 2 options, the fastest route or the social route. Since I want to make the city more livable and safer, I'm gonna go for the social route.
Besides the experiments we're doing with TomTom's navigation app, we have also integrated the social route into Mercedes cars.
For the Mercedes-Benz on-ride use case, we developed a way to show these notifications from the cities directly on our main display in the car. That means we can enable cities to reach Mercedes-Benz drivers at the most relevant moment while driving.
For Helsinki, the most important goal of this project is that we will create a direct link between the city and the driver, which has great potential in the future. Together with Aalto University, we are able to pilot incentives, even monetary incentives, which can be handy in the future in terms of, for example, congestion charging.